Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making no-bake brownies. These are super simple to make, very easy, delicious, and the best part is that they're loaded with protein as well as lentils. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now I'm adding 1 cup of cooked chawli or cowpeas. Then you're going to add a cup of water, half a cup of peanut butter, and then blend all of that up. Once it's looking nice and smooth and creamy, you're going to add in the rest of your liquid ingredients, starting with a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, as well as 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And use a good quality vanilla here because that's really going to bring out the flavors. That's just the coconut oil, and then I'm going to add some stevia. You can add any other sweetener of your choice. Blend it all up again. Make sure that it's nice and smooth. You don't want any lumps, especially because we're working here with pulses and they might not taste as good. So transfer that into a large bowl. Add a cup of protein, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and half a cup of coconut flour. Once the dough comes together, you can optionally add in some chocolate chips. Transfer this dough. It's going to be sticky and thick. It's going to taste so good, guys. Press it into this new square mold now and just line it with baking paper so it'll make it super easy for you to be able to remove the brownies once they're all set. You can top it with a little bit more of melted chocolate. If you want to, you can use sugar-free chocolate here or whatever kind of chocolate of your preference. I am using sugar-free chocolate just to make them a little bit extra healthy, and then they're basically ready to slice. You just need to set them for 30 minutes in the fridge. And as you can see, they're so yummy, so soft, so squishy, so easy to cut into. Alright, and now let's go ahead and give them a taste. They're so soft, squishy, and delicious. Literally melt in the mouth, guys. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.